Pacific to the rugged coast of Maine. The roar is just terrific aboard our freedom train.
We come because we're caring, we gather cause we're free, with love and hope for sharing, from sea to shining sea, America sings. America sings from the mighty Mississippi, America hears the children's call. America lives in the hearts of all the people, America wanting for all. America sings, America sings, America cries, America cries, America hopes, America hopes, America tries.
From the warmth of Arizona to the cold Dakota snow, from the lakes of Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico,
from the tundras of Alaska